buddy. Hey, here we go. Alright, so we got here is our official DADKART prototype wing struts. It's a little taller than I thought it would be. I think in the final iteration I'm going to shorten it some. It just, I don't know, maybe like right there, but I had to worry about the pipe, the exhaust pipe. See, so I wanted to put it above the exhaust pipe. But I think if you went below the exhaust, it would look goofier than hell. So we're going to get it put on there. I'll have to move the mounts for the wing itself too to be a little wider, but this is T6 aluminum. There's a hole here for a strut that'll go between the two, and they mount to the bearing cassette. Very cool. Let's get after it. All right, so we got them both on there. That's what she's looking like. I said it mounts to the bearing cassette. So now we're going to try to rig the wing on the top, and then I have to fabricate this bar here. Might just use some threaded rod with some lock nuts on each side. Who knows? We'll try whatever we got. All right, so in order to get the wing on there, we have to move the mounts here. Okay, these things got to move over some. So this is 19.5 inches from inside to inside, and then from here outside to outside is straight 25 inches. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take 25 minus 19, which is 5.5. Cut that in half is 2 3/4. So I need to move these out 2 3/4 inches. Look at there. Well, there it is. It's pretty tall, but like I said with the exhaust, maybe just put it right above the exhaust. I'm not sure, but I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but we'll see. I'm going to paint them black, of course, so they don't stand out so much, but it's rally cart, pretty much. DADKART rally cart. I will have a track in the backyard, but I plan to take it to some dirt roads. We have a lot of fire roads and stuff around here that all connect, and yeah, I'd like to do some dirt road rallying with this thing. So I don't know, sometimes it doesn't look so tall, and other times it looks like it's way the hell up in the air. So I don't know. It's really strong. I'm surprised. There's a little wiggle, but not much. I was gonna either make a pole in here or something coming down to maybe hold it to the bumper or something. I'm not sure, but it's just prototype stuff anyways. So I guess that's how I'm mounting mine for now. We'll see. All right, so after looking at this for a while, something just looked gay. I don't know, it just looked gay. I had the son of a bitch backwards. I had this as the front edge and this is the back, but now it's okay. So now it's on there, how it's going to be on there, and that's how it's going to look. So not too much difference, but it did look strange there for a little bit.